Hi guys, in this video we will see how you can effortlessly transfer money from one account to another account from Google Pay. Suppose you have two bank accounts and both accounts are linked to your Google Pay, and now if you want you can transfer effortlessly money from one account to another account. Let's see how to do that. For this you must have one Google Pay account and minimum two bank accounts. I have linked my Paytm Payments Bank and Bandhan Bank both in Google Pay. Let's see how I can transfer money from Paytm Payments Bank to Bandhan Bank. So let's see how to do that. To do that, open Google Pay app and find self-transfer option.
59. Bank transfer button. Pay phone number. Pay contact. Scan any profile. Pay friend. Pay friends. Profile button. Scan any QR code. Pay contact. Pay phone. Bank pay UPI. Self-transfer button.
Click here.
Self-transfer.
Now here you will find two bank accounts. One is from and another is to. So let us see which bank accounts are selected.
Button. Show self-transfer. Select bank account to transfer from. Collapse button.
Select bank accounts to transfer from. So open this and select the bank account from which you want to transfer money. For my case, let me select Paytm Payments Bank.
Selected. Payments Bank ending with XX57.
Okay, it is
Savings
selected.
account button.
Next is,
Bandhan Bank ending with 8180.
Okay, no.
Add bank account button.
you can also add another bank account here.
Select bank account to transfer to. Expand button.
Select bank account to transfer to. Make sure the bank account is different from the bank account which you have been selected in the from section. Now I'm swiping again.
Selected. Bandhan Bank ending with 8180.
Yes, it is selected.
Savings next button.
Just click on next.
Self-transfer send page. Showing number keyboard.
Now here
Pay.
you need to enter the amount which you want to send. For example, now I'm going to send 500 rupees.
5 0 0 500 0.
See,
Full stop. 0. Edit box. Add a note. Editing. 5. Self-transfer.
self-transfer.
Editing. 500. Edit
500.
box. Edit box. Add a note.
So add a
Showing
note.
English. India.
I'm just typing.
QWERTY. Keyboard. D. Window.
Demo.
D. R. E. E. M. O. O.
You can type any amount or any note here in the area of note, then click on done button.
Button. Done. Transfer from. Keyboard hidden.
Then click on
Transfer now. Button.
transfer now.
Bandhan Bank ending with 8180.
Before
Savings
that,
account. Button.
you can check everything. See,
2. Payment. Transfer. Demo. Edit. Transfer from.
transfer from,
Payments Bank ending with XX57.
then
2.
to.
Bandhan Bank ending with 8180. Savings account.
Right.
Button. Transfer now. Button.
So click on transfer now.
Pay.
Here you need to give your UPI ID. After giving your UPI ID, you will find a unlabeled button.
8. 9. Stop record. Unlabeled. Button. Window pay.
Very right of the 0. So you just need to click on that and payment will be transferred. So let me enter the UPI pin and click on the button, then I'll come back.
Transferring 500. Pay.
Okay, so now I have done with my transfer. Now here my bank server is taking a little bit long time to respond. See,
Payment processing.
Payment
it's taking
processing.
longer. Dismiss. Button.
so if you want you can dismiss it. I'm doing that because I know the payment has been successfully transferred.
Pay page.
Now again I come back to the pay page.
People. Clear UPI pay bit.
This is how you can easily transfer any amount from your one bank account to another bank account using GPay. Okay, that's it guys. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more interesting videos like this absolutely free of cost. Don't forget to visit us on Telegram and WhatsApp. Links are given in the video description below. And don't forget to visit our academy also. The link is given in the video description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, take care, happy watching.